Right, so this is the new Fujifilm X-T3. It's one of the first versions to arrive in South Africa. So we're just going to have a quick unboxing and have a look. Those of you who've been following us for a while will know that we are huge fans of the X-T2. And this is the upgrade to that. What's changed? Well, for a start, you get a new sensor. This time around, it's a 26.1 megapixel. It's still an APS-C, of course, but we found that the quality on these Fujis is so good that it actually doesn't matter. You really don't need that sort of full frame resolution, unless, of course, you're shooting things for billboards and that sort of thing. What else do you get? Well, video gets another upgrade, as it did with the X-T2. This time around, you're going to be shooting 4K video at 60 frames a second if you want. There's also USB-C, which is something we just want to see more of on everything, and now a built-in headphone jack. Previously, if you wanted a headphone jack to do video monitoring, you would have to get the additional grip, and the battery grip had the 3.5mm jack in the side of it. Now that's built into this. Let's see if we can find it. There it is up top. There's a mic and a headphone jack, and then we have the USB-C charger and the mini HDMI out. Once again, you've got a full reticulating screen that goes up and down. It also has a little switch here that pops it out sideways. The only thing it's missing, of course, is the ability to fold all the way around to the front and go into full selfie mode. That's something we haven't seen from the high-end Fujis, but perhaps that will follow in a future update. For us, we've not found that we have a huge need for it, although it is handy when shooting video of oneself without a team. Anyway, there's a Hotshoe cover on top here, the regular eye cup. I believe that this diopter is also lockable, so that you don't accidentally bump it and switch it, but we'll have to have a fiddle with that once we get this switched on. Battery slot in the bottom here. There should be one in the box, of course, so we can get stuck in. And the cover over here for the battery grip for the terminals. Let's see what else is in the box. All right, we've got the obligatory neck strap, a 2-point wall adapter, the protectors for the lugs and the strap, and a tool with which to put them on. The standard battery that you'll see in the X-T2 and X-T20 and basically pretty much any Fuji. So if you've got existing batteries, those will work fine with the X-T3. The battery charger, and this is always such a nice touch from them, a mini Hotshoe Flash. That pops up with a little push of this button on the back here. And there you have it. That is a quick look at the new Fuji X-T3. We'll have a proper review up in days or weeks to come, depending how long it takes us to get to it.